In a previous video I made these dinette seats and now I need cushions for them. So I'm going to be using particle board as a base. Now you might be wondering, hey, what are you talking about? Why aren't you just sewing fabric for the cushions? Well, I don't have a sewing machine and I don't want to buy a sewing machine. So basically what I'm doing is I'm cutting out pieces of particle board for my 2 seats and 2 backs, and I'm just wrapping the fabric around the foam and stapling it to the particle board like you would with some chairs. Once I had all the particle board cut out, then I was ready to start cutting out foam pieces, and they claim you could just cut this foam with a bread knife. So that's what I tried out, and I mean it worked okay. It's kind of messy. I was thinking maybe I should have just tried using the bandsaw. You know, if I'm going to be using woodworking tools to do tailoring, I might as well go all the way, but this worked pretty well. Next I had to cut out my upholstery fabric. What I had to make sure here is that I had plenty of overhang on each side, so you're going to want to order plenty of fabric if you do this yourself. And of course I'll have links in the description for both the fabric and the foam if you're curious what I used. Now for the wrapping part, I tested different folds first. I didn't know if there's an official way you do this, but I decided to wrap it like a present, and last second I realized, oh, I should probably cut the corners just to help prevent any tearing from happening on the bottom. So for folding, I started with the ends. I figured the ends are going to be visible, so I might as well make those clean. And then I just wrapped everything up like a present, and that's about it. That's all I had to do. It's super easy if you don't have a sewing machine, and now my dinette seats in my camper actually have cushions.